Roadmap to become a UI/UX designer. Why do some apps feel so easy to use, while others feel frustrating? That's the power of UI/UX design. A UI/UX designer creates digital experiences that are not just beautiful, but also simple, intuitive, and user-friendly. UI stands for user interface, how things look. UX stands for user experience, how things feel. This role is used in websites, mobile apps, SaaS products, and almost every digital platform. So, how do you get started? First, understand the basics of design. Learn color theory, typography, spacing, and layout. These are the foundations of good design. Next, understand UX principles. Learn how users think, behave, and interact with products. Because good design is not about what you like. It's about what users need. Then, learn design tools. Start with tools like Figma, Adobe XD, or Sketch. These tools help you create wireframes, prototypes, and full designs. Now, move to wireframing. Create simple layouts that show structure without focusing on visuals. After that, learn prototyping. Turn your designs into interactive experiences to test how users will navigate. You should also learn about user research. Understand how to gather feedback through surveys, interviews, and usability testing. This helps you design better solutions. Next, focus on design systems. Learn how to create consistent components and reusable design patterns. As you grow, understand accessibility. Design for all users, including those with disabilities. Now comes the most important step: practice. Build projects like mobile app designs, website redesigns, landing pages. Create a strong portfolio to showcase your work. But be ready for challenges. Balancing creativity with usability can be tricky. Sometimes, what looks good may not work well. That's why feedback is important. Think like a UI/UX designer. Focus on users, simplicity, and clarity. Because great design is not just seen, it's experienced. Start your journey today and become a UI/UX designer creating meaningful digital experiences.